Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will discuss a pivotal part of Pakistan's constitution, Article 2, which declares Islam to be state religion. This article is not just a symbolic statement, but a cornerstone of Pakistan's legal and political framework. It reflects the vision of country's founders to establish a state grounded in Islamic principles, while also ensuring the rights of all its citizens regardless of their faith. I shall discuss how Article 2 influences the governance of Pakistan from legislation to policy making. What does it mean to declare Islam as the state religion? How does it impact the daily lives of citizens and the functioning of state institutions? These are some of the key questions I shall try to discuss and provide their answers. Beyond its historical and philosophical significance, Article 2 has been a subject of interpretation and debate in courts. It serves as a guiding principle for lawmakers to ensure that all laws are must made in accordance with Islamic teachings. However, it also raises important questions about the balance between Pakistan's Islamic identity and its commitment to constitutional rights, especially those protecting religious minorities. In this video, I will also discuss some landmark case laws that have tested the scope and application of Article 2. These case laws reveal how the judiciary has interpreted this provision to maintain a balance between upholding Islamic principles and preserving the constitutional framework that guarantees equality and justice for all citizens. Whether you are a law student or someone interested in Pakistan's constitutional history or simply curious about how Islamic principles are integrated into a modern legal system, this video is for you. Together, we shall discuss the significance of Article 2, its role in shaping Pakistan's identity, and the debates surrounding its implementation. So stay tuned. We shall discuss the fundamental article of Constitution and uncover its impact on Pakistan's legal and societal fabric. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content on the Constitution of Pakistan. Article 2 of the Constitution of Pakistan declares Islam as the state religion. This provision serves as the foundation of Pakistan's identity as an Islamic republic and provides direction for its legislative and governance frameworks. It emphasizes that all laws must align with principles of Islam as outlined in Quran and Sunnah. However, this article operates in conjunction with other constitutional provisions that protect fundamental rights, ensuring that the declaration of Islam as the state religion does not undermine the rights of religious minorities or compromise equality before the law. The implications of Article 2 are significant. It establishes a framework for the state to legislate in harmony with Islamic principles while adhering to the broader constitutional mandate of justice, equality, and democracy. This has led to a unique legal system in Pakistan, where Islamic jurisprudence and modern legal frameworks coexist. However, it also poses challenges, particularly when addressing the rights of minorities, the modernization of laws, and balancing the nation's Islamic identity with its obligations as a constitutional democracy. The article's interpretation has been tested in various landmark cases. For, for instance, in Ziaur Rahman versus State 1973, the petitioner challenged certain provisions of Electoral Laws Act 1970, which allowed non Muslims to contest elections for the seats reserved for Muslims. The petitioner argued that these provisions contradicted the principle of Islamic governance. The appeal sought to have these provisions declared unconstitutional and prayed for electoral laws to align with Islamic injunctions. The court ruled that while Islam's status as the state religion is central to Pakistan's identity, it must be balanced with constitutional protections afforded to minorities. Consequently, the provisions were upheld. In second case, in Akam Khan's versus Government of Pakistan, the petitioners challenged specific section of Pakistan Penal Code, particularly those dealing with blasphemy and theft, arguing that prescribed punishment do not fully align with the Islamic injunction. The appeal sought to amend these laws to enforce stricter Sharia punishments. The court held that state must ensure that laws are consistent with Islamic principles, but acknowledged that importance of gradual reform to maintain societal stability. Third case is Benazir Bhutto versus Federation of Pakistan. The petitioners challenged the state's economic policies, the particularly interest-based financial systems, as being inconsistent with prohibition of riba, usury in Islam. The court ruled that eliminating riba is a constitutional obligation, but recognized the practical challenges of transitioning to an interest-free economy. It emphasized that economic reforms must be gradual and aligned with the global economic realities. Next case, the Jamaat Islami versus Federation of Pakistan. The petitioners challenged the delay in implementing Sharia laws under Article 227 of the Constitution. They argued that state's inaction violated its constitutional obligations. The court, while agreeing with the importance of aligning laws with Islamic injunctions, stressed the need for a balanced and gradual approach to ensure that democratic governance and constitutional rights are not undermined. Next case, in Muhammad Aslam Khaki's versus Federation of Pakistan, the petitioners challenged provision of Muslim Family Laws Ordinance 1961, arguing that certain provisions, including those related to inheritance laws and polygamy, were inconsistent with the Quran and Sunnah. The court declared some provision unconstitutional and directed the state to review family laws to ensure compliance with Islamic principles. These landmark cases highlight how Article 2 is applied and interpreted in Pakistan's legal system. It is not merely a symbolic statement, but a principle that guides the state in legislating and governing in accordance with Islamic values. At the same time, the judiciary plays a critical role in maintaining a balance between upholding these values and protecting the constitutional rights of all citizens, ensuring justice, equality, and religious freedom. Article 2 reflects Pakistan's unique constitutional identity as an Islamic republic committed to modern governance and democratic principles. It ensures that the state laws are rooted in Islamic teachings while safeguarding the right of minorities and promoting inclusivity. This ongoing balance is a testament to the dynamic and evolving nature of Pakistan's constitutional framework. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this discussion insightful and gained a better understanding of Article 2 of the Constitution of Pakistan, its significance, and its practical implications. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more informative content on Pakistan's legal and constitutional framework. See you in next video. Assalamu alaikum.